Who invited this tyrant? Oh, yeah, I did. This man right here is named Kingambit. And he's Bisharp's evolved form. And no, I don't have him in the game. I haven't really unlocked him yet. I haven't really evolved him. But I will soon. Soon, I'll unlock the secrets on how to evolve him into Kingambit. I'll unlock him after this guy, after this guy were to,
So he won, I think, 2 Super Bowls with New England and 2 with the Colts.
Wow.
When you're gone.
Really?
Yeah, when the game's going on?
Yeah.
Wow. That's what we get.
Why didn't they give him 4 or 3? How about 5 or 7?
I said, when you join the opposed, the Super Bowl runs out of getting away.
I will find out his secrets after I finish drawing him. Anyways, Kingambit is supposed to be a giant guy on. He's supposed to be an emperor on a huge field.
I saw something the other day.
It's like the leader of the Red Ribbon Army.
Had 4 player Super Bowl rings from the 49ers. And they were individual players. How he came across these players' rings, I don't know. But they were going for about 20,000 apiece. 20,000 apiece. And then really depends on whose ring you have.
Note to self:
If you have
don't draw on the floor.
ring,
Literally.
MVP, Super Bowl ring, I'm sure it'd be somewhere around 50.
I don't think.
Does anyone have an Alexa to play?
After they finish playing, they run into issues. Look at Dexter Manley from the Skins. He's broke. He was broke. He made all kinds of money, lost it all, sold his ring, because he was broke.
Got it.
On drugs and whatnot. Got him cleaned up. Gave him a job in the organization. Bought his ring from a pawn shop. When he was clean, and he was working, and he was sober for X amount of time, he gave him the ring back.
Wow.
But that's a 1 in 1,000.
That's what happens these days, Chris. They don't know how to manage their money.
The guy couldn't even write his name. The guy didn't
There
even know
we
how to
are.
sign a check. He didn't. They pushed him to college. They didn't send him away to college.
I remember the story, yeah. Yeah.
The guy couldn't even write.
What?
He couldn't even write.
The guys come in and manipulate this moron.
Yep.
Here's his arms.
$1 million a year? Million?
Yeah.
All right, you gotta pay tax and all that shit, I understand all that stuff, but you pay tax and seconds for 4 years? Now what happens after 4 years? The guy still want to talk what?
You never knew.
Well, my other time maybe even bigger.
Yep. Where do you think Aaron Rodgers is going to play this year? You think he's going to play for the Jets?
That fucking guy. Now, if I was the Jets, you'd delay him. Meanwhile, the Jets put themselves in this position. With Paul was available, Garoppolo was available, all the quarterbacks, decent quarterbacks available.
Yeah.
But they're waiting on this guy who can't make up his mind what he wants to do.
And everybody else was taken.
Everybody else is taken now. The Jets could be left holding their Johnson block.
Yeah.
There you go.
Which I hope it does. I hope it does. It's stupid.
Green Bay is already
Here's his
set
arms.
with his backup.
Yeah, right. Love,
He-
I will.
He's going to be the starter.
Right.
So whether he chooses to go back there or
This
not,
is
he's
thrown.
not sure.
Right.
So shouldn't be so picky and say, all right, let's make the deal.
Now say you Green Bay, right? What's he holding this whole thing up is the
And
trade.
finished.
Mhm.
That's how you draw Kingambit from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet.